Hello everyone, hi, how are you all doing? And a very warm welcome to all of you in our today's video. Today in this A to Z series, we have the letter K, and from K we'll be talking about kidney disorders. So if you are having any kind of kidney disorders, like if you are having too much of swelling in your body, okay, if you are having swelling, that means your kidney is not working properly, then this point will help, today's point will help. Or if you are having any kind of issues like CKD issue, chronic kidney disorders, if you are having high creatinine issues, your kidney is not filtering properly, okay, like uric acid issue, urea high, albumin high, protein high issues if you are having in your what we can say test, then this may be because your kidney is not filtering properly. So to help it, we will be using acupressure points. So let us see acupressure points which will help you for any kind of kidney disorder. May it be small or may it be big. For all kind of kidney disorders, this point will definitely help. So let us see the point. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then please do subscribe and do share this video with others so that you can also get this informative video. And if you want to join our WhatsApp group or our Telegram group, then do click on the link in the description box. So let us see the location of the point. So our point is located on the front side of our hand, on the middle finger. Just below the first joint line of the middle finger is this point. This point is called as K3. Okay, this point is called as K3. So what we will do, we will press this point properly for 30 seconds to 1 minute. We will give a deep and firm pressure on this point, and then we'll apply one magnet over here. If you are not having the magnets and if you want to buy them, then you can see our contact details. You can WhatsApp us and buy a magnet kit for yourself. So we'll take one piece of paper tape and we'll apply one buell magnet in such a way that the yellow side of the buell magnet will touch the skin, and from the outside you will see the white side of the buell magnet. We will tone this point, so the yellow side will touch the skin. We'll apply this magnet for 8 to 10 hours. You need to apply it on both the hands as this point is bilateral. Doing it daily for 8 to 10 hours will give you good results. So definitely do it daily. As kidney disorders, it will depend, the results of this point will depend according to your disorder. Like if you are having small issue, you will get fast results. But if you are having big issue, it will take time to get results. But if you do it daily without fail and having trust on it, then you will definitely see the results. So that's all for the day. Thank you so much everyone. If you are liking our A to Z series, then please do subscribe our channel.